Hey Geek, so I'm testing out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 as a webcam, and this was super easy to do because once you plug this into your computer, you have two main options from your Pocket 3. By default, the top option is to actually transfer files, which is normally what most people are going to do, but the second option is to use it as a webcam, and once you do that, it becomes a video source that's available for other programs. And in this case, I am using OBS to actually record all of this through this Pocket 3, and all I had to do was add it as a source, a video source. And then in terms of my audio, I am using my DJI wireless mic 2, and I chose that as my audio source, and I'll show you how that looks like on my computer. And about the only thing that I'm not sure of yet is the resolution, because by default I shoot things at 4K 24 frames per second. But whenever I use the webcam mode, it says 1080p 30 frames per second. So I'm not sure if this is the limit that it's able to do or if there's some other settings that I can change. But overall, this was very easy to use, and I do really enjoy the quality of this. This looks better than my normal webcam, which is a Logitech webcam. So I'm gonna go over to my computer to show you how things look like from there. All right, so here we are on my computer. So as you can see, there is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So all I had to do is on my scenes, I went ahead and added another source. And in this case, I chose the video capture device. Now I've already created one for this webcam, but once you do that, you do have a source available. And if I go to my properties, my devices, it shows DJI Pocket 3. So that was really easy through USB. Now the thing is, at least on my computer, on video format, I had to use BG3 emulated. Otherwise, I just get a blank screen. So that's how I got that to work. And everything else I left the same by default. And then in terms of my audio, if I go down here to my mic aux and go to properties, there is an option here for the DJI Pocket 3. So it was very, very easy to set this up as another video source. And I'm glad that Pocket 3 made it really easy to do. I didn't really have to do anything else beyond just adding the sources and adding it to my scenes. So that is how things look like with the DJI Pocket 3 with a webcam. And I'll try to figure out if I could go any higher in terms of resolution versus 1080p 30 frames per second. But overall, I'm really happy with this additional ability of this camera. It gives it even more versatility. So if you want to use this as a webcam, you can. Along with something like the DJI Wireless Mic 2, you could get some really great audio out of that. So if you did have any other thoughts on this or any other ways in which you do this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get the DJI Pocket 3, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.